the Bybit VIP program. This program will save you on your crypto trading, and not only that, you'll get a whole ton of rewards as well. Most people actually believe, including myself before researching it deeply before I became a member, that it's only for the elites. And you would think that it's a VIP program. You would think that you need hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of dollars to be part of the program, or some kind of professional trader. And it's simply not the case. The Bybit VIP program is for everyone, whether you're using Bybit already or not. Let's talk about the program, how you can actually qualify, whether you have slightly lower funds and lower trading amounts, or you're a big roller anyway. But let me tell you exactly why I became a VIP member, from the reward perspective, from the saving perspective, plus much, much more. So give the video a like, there's chapters down below, and let's explore Bybit's VIP program together. The VIP program from Bybit allows you to save a lot of money on your trading fees. We will go over the trading fees and the criteria later in the video, but more or less the main thing about the VIP program is saving on trading fees, great rewards, and actually having your own personal relationship manager as well, and getting that one-on-one support. There are of course other great benefits as well. For example, if you're using the Bybit card, and you should be, it's a brilliant product whether you're using Bybit or not, you get up to 10% cashback using that Bybit card, as well as rebates, all your money back on Netflix, Spotify, Prime, ChatGPT, TradingView. So it's a really, really good program, not just for saving money, but for great rewards and great customer service as well. It also opens a ton of doors to meet other traders, meet the Bybit people, VIP galas, yachts, office visits. You get to meet some really cool people, as you can see here from my pictures where I've met Banter, or ran from Ban to the moon. You know, I've filmed in Bybit's offices, for example. I've done videos in the F1. I've met people like Crypto, all through the Bybit VIP program. So it's an all-round really good program if you're a crypto trader and you want to save money and you want great rewards by doing what you love anyway. So let's talk through the VIP criteria, and then we'll move on to the fee structure. Of course, the first criteria, if you're not already a Bybit user, you need to sign up for Bybit. Signing up literally takes a minute. I'll put a link in the description down below. It's actually my affiliate link. So not only will I earn a bonus, you'll get bonuses all the way up to $30,000 and further discounts on trading fees as well when you use that link. So extra benefits, VIP benefits, and yeah, sign up literally takes 1 to 2 minutes. You will need to KYC, but you can do level 1 KYC, which is simply just a selfie and a form of ID, and you'll be verified very, very quickly. It's automated. So the criteria and fee structure. Like I said at the start of the video, you don't need to be Jeff Bezos or a multi-million-dollar trader with hundreds of thousands, millions of USDT crypto to qualify for the program, contrary to what most people believe. I'm a VIP level 3. However, you'll notice I only have about $8,500 in my account. Let me explain how that's so, and I'll explain even if you have $5,000, $10,000. Of course, if you have much more, like 50, 100, 200,000, you're going to be golden anyway. But the point is, the program is for anyone and everyone. Okay, all right. You probably do need at least a few $1,000s to benefit. But if you don't have that much yet in crypto, then saving the fees isn't going to be as big of a deal anyway. So let's talk about it. VIP levels and the criterias. So the non-VIP, the standard that everyone's on, of course, no criteria. To get to the next level, VIP level 1, and it is a significant jump even going to level 1, because your fees go all the way from 0.550 to 0.4. So you're saving like 20% on fees, and of course there's the great rewards. We'll talk about that as we go through the trading fees and the tiers. But the criteria here to get even to VIP level 1 is you need over $100,000. So at first glance, that looks like, whoa, well, I don't have $100,000. You don't need $100,000 because the criteria is actually or. You only need one of these criteria outcomes. Now, most of my audience and subscribers here are traders using futures, derivatives, and I find that the very easiest and quickest way to benefit from all the rewards and get the cheaper trading fees as well. So $10 million monthly trading volume. That is very, very easily possible, even with a small amount. In fact, I used ChatGPT earlier to kind of give an example to us so we can see. So let's say you have $10,000 and just by using 10x leverage, which is actually below the average of what futures traders use in crypto, unfortunately. But the point is, and bear in mind, just because you're using your balance to trade doesn't mean that you're risking this amount. People can put their stop loss at 1%, 2%, and risk very, very little with still getting the trading volume to get the rewards and to get your fees down. And a lot of people are trading anyway. That's the point of why we're using Bybit. So with $10,000, you could use 10x leverage, which is $100,000 per trade. The math behind that is 10x, $10,000, that's $100,000. But of course, if you're opening and closing a trade, it becomes $200,000 because opening's 100, closing's 100, and Bybit counts that as $200,000. So with 50 trades in a month, which is about 1.5 or so a day, just 1.5 trades a day, you would qualify for the VIP program. If you only have $5,000, okay, you need to do 3 trades a day. And once again, you're not risking the $10,000. You're gonna have a stop loss. You can set the stop loss where you need. Of course, it needs to follow your trading strategy and the technical analysis that you've performed. But my point is, you can very easily achieve it. And then to get to VIP level 2, you would need to do $25 million trading volume in a month. VIP level 3, which I think is kind of the sweet spot. It's where I'm at, and I'll show you in a second why I'm wanting to strive and get that VIP level 3 in a moment, but that's $50 million. Let's look at some examples for those. And of course, if anyone does have $100,000, $250,000 or $500,000, you don't even need to worry about the trading volumes. So for VIP level 2, $25 million trading volume monthly with the same balance. Hypothetically, let's say we had $10,000 with a 10x leverage, $200,000 per trade, including opening it and closing it, would be about 4 or 5 round trip trades a day. Now, of course, if you were using a slightly more balance or slightly more leverage, it could be even less than that. But the sweet spot, like I said, really is the level 3, VIP level 3. We'll talk through the benefits and I'll explain why in a moment. But the 50 million trading volume, if we were using $10,000, 10x leverage, it would mean 8 or 9 round trips, trades per day, 8 or 9 trades per day on average. Of course, it can be less with bigger balance and or more leverage, but we don't want to use too high leverage. We want to keep it safe. Of course, always using stop losses anyway, so your capital is always protected and you always want to be doing proper risk management. This video is not about that. Hopefully you know that you're exploring a VIP program. But larger traders, large trades, more leverage will equal less trades in total to get that same benefit. So let's talk about the benefits and why I'm striving for level 3. So you start off on the 𝗲 and you're paying the highest fees on Bybit, which by the way is still not bad compared to other exchanges. And on that note, quickly look at some of the big exchanges, their maker and taker fees, like Bybit standard here. You can see most of them are 0.6. Some of them go even higher than that. But yeah, going back to as you can see, you start off on that. You go VIP level 1, you get 27% fee rate discount. That's VIP level 1. That's where we talked about you just need $10 million month trading volume or $100,000 in your trading account. You get 2% cashback on the card. With regards to VIP level 2, you need 25 million monthly trading volume. You get a bit more of a fee discount, not a lot more. You're going from 27 discount to 32% discount. But if you get to level 3, not only do you get 36%, you get invited to all the VIP gala events, birthday gifts. You also benefit from much better, where is it on my screen? The much better cashback on the card. You also benefit from much better cashback on the card. So with regard to VIP level 3, you get 100,000 point limit, 4% monthly cashback up to $200. So you can, by spending just $5,000 a month on usual expenses that you would spend anyway, you're going to earn $200 back in cashback, as well as some of the great VIP rewards we talked about earlier, like your Netflix, your Spotify, your Prime, etc. And of course, you're getting the one-on-one VIP experience with your relationship manager, and it's really, really helpful. And then, of course, you've got VIP level 4, 5, Super VIP. I'm going to leave a link to this page. Only maybe 0.01% of people watching this video are going to be applicable for this. But if you are, great. I'll leave the link. Please explore it further. You can save a real ton of money and get great rewards as well. That moves us on to trading fees. Trading fees, I did touch on it earlier. You can see them. I won't go through every single one in great detail. I've left it here. I'm going to leave the link down below as well, where you can sign up if you don't have Bybit, and or just see the fees, the structures. You can see how as they go up, you're going to save a lot more money. And the more trading that you're doing, the more you're going to save, the more rewards you're going to get as well. So that was it for the VIP program. Let me know in the comments if you're a VIP already. Hopefully I'll be seeing you at one of these VIP events, like with some of the very well-known people in the space. Let me know what VIP level you are. And of course, once again, guys, the link is in the description down below. And once again, link down below where you can get up to $30,000 in free crypto using that link. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check out any one of these videos. See you on another one very soon. Bye-bye.